Yes, good afternoon, my people. It's on a Saturday, and the market is closed, of course, but I wanted to do an outlook of the pairs which I've been looking on. Basically, we'll go through three pairs: Euro USD, GU, and USD JPY, and have a look at the DXY. But we'll start with the DXY because it's the basis of our trades or our forecast. DXY basically the US dollar index. So I'll try to make this video as short as possible. Yeah, so this is DXY, and we'll just be looking on the higher time frame, basically weekly or even monthly. Let's see monthly how it is looking like. So when you look at the monthly time frame, DXY has been on a very serious bearish run for almost since last year January, for almost more than a year right now. We have been on a bearish momentum on this DXY, and the previous months also, the early months of this year, January and Feb, we've been bearish. So what I want to see on the DXY is basically um, bearish continuation towards the sell side here, and these lows which have been created, this was created on January. So I want to see price still continue its bearish movement to take out these lows. Of course, we'll have some retracements, but the momentum, the bearish momentum is there. So when you look at the weekly chart, the first week of Feb tried to buy, but the previous week sold. So we can see a continuation, basically maybe a retracement to some premium zones here. Let's see the daily chart. So maybe just some kind of retracement to maybe some retracement to premium zones. Then we continue downward on this DXY on the DXY. So we might have that kind of retracement. Of course, the new week open manipulation, then the high of the week gets formed, and then we continue downwards. There's something which I love a lot. I love trying to note the open of the previous week, and basically here there was a gap on this open. So when I note there that price level on the previous week around the high of around 97.68. So when I go to the daily time frame, so perfect. So I want to see if we're going to have a buy on this DXY, then I want to see price reach that zone, then maybe some consolidation on the lower time frames. Then now we begin our bearish momentum downwards. So that's how I'm looking at DXY. So with DXY bearish, of course, going through the other pairs will be very easy. Going through other pairs will be very easy, and we'll be looking on the EU, GU, and USD JPY. So let's go to the USD JPY. This pair has been interesting in my view.